This country, you gotta make the money first. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the woman.
What up, everybody? How you doing? You are here kicking it with Mr. P. I am your host, Mr. Paraguay 12. I'm here to talk about the Knicks. They're not doing so hot. The Knicks record right now is 3-13, and they're on a 9-game losing streak. That's not good. Usually when these type of situations happen, you point the finger at the coach and say, he's the reason we're losing, and he's out of here. I don't think you should do that in this situation. I'm a big fan of the Heat. Why? Because everybody sacrifices and everybody does what they gotta do to win. I don't see that in the Knicks. Whether it's LeBron over here making a ton of points and doing his thing like he does every night, whether it's Bosh over here getting a lot of rebounds and hitting that mid-range, whether it's Battier over here hitting that last-minute three, everybody's doing what they gotta do to win. But who do you blame? Do you blame the superstar or do you blame the coach? I think you blame everybody. It's a team effort. When I'm playing sports and I lose, I don't sit there and blame so-and-so. I don't sit there and blame this guy over here. I blame myself and everyone around me because it's a team effort. That's why it's a team sport. That's why when you see teams with just a superstar, they don't prevail. Like LeBron when he was on the Cavs. He was the main reason why they were losing. But did that last? No, he left, and guess what? He went to Miami with a team now, and now he's a winner. He's got 2 rings, and there you go. Now, Carmelo has said that he's wanting to opt out and see what else is out there. But where's he gonna go? LA? They ain't gonna take him. I think he should stay in New York, ride it out, and do his thing and wake the hell up and go to his teammates and say, look, I'm willing to pass to you. I'm willing to give you the ball. I'm willing to do this. Get everybody involved, and then they can start winning. At the end of the day, you gotta get everybody involved and everybody's gotta play their part. You're not gonna win if you're not doing that. Carmelo obviously is not talking to his teammates. He's got to pull his teammates aside and do that. And I guarantee you, if he starts doing that, they're going to start winning. On paper, they're a good team. I'm a big fan of Chandler. I think he's one of the best big men in the game. I think he brings a lot of defense, and I know he does his thing a lot. Carmelo, a little selfish, but I know he can do his thing more, and I know he can get his team involved. And I guess we're going to have to see how it goes. We're getting a little close to the All-Star weekend, so I think if they continue to lose, Carmelo's leaving, man. He's peace. He's out of there. And then the Knicks are just going to do this. They're just going to go, and they're just going to lose. But I guess we're going to have to wait and see. Stay tuned until then. Everybody take care. Peace.